You became your own alarm clock. Sounds useful, right? Well, there's one tiny problem. Now you wake up 3 seconds before the alarm, every single day. And instead of sleeping, you just stare at the clock, waiting for it to ring. A month later, you start waking up 5 minutes early, every day. Then 10 minutes, then 20. The system is out of control. The alarm is set for 7 a.m., but somehow you're awake at 5:42. Why? Congratulations, you defeated the alarm clock. But you lost sleep. Mission failed successfully.